Learn how to use utility pole in daily conversations. E.g., there is a bird sitting on the utility pole. The utility pole fell in the storm. Workers repaired the utility pole. Gain the confidence to say these sentences in Japanese and enhance your communication skills. 電柱電柱電柱 Electric poles are a common sight in urban and rural areas. They are crucial components in the infrastructure that deliver electricity and telecommunications. Commonly referred to as utility poles in modern cities, they hold up electrical wires, street lights, and sometimes other utilities. It is a noun referring to an object used for seemingly everyday purposes. The first kanji in 電柱 is den, which stands for electricity. It's a kanji we see often in words related to electrical items or functions. For instance, denki means electricity, the kind that powers our homes and devices. Then there's denwa, which is a telephone, a device that uses electricity to communicate over distances. Also, the word densha refers to an electric train, highlighting its electric-powered nature. The second kanji, chiru, means pillar or post. It's used for structures that support or hold up buildings or objects. One common word is hashira, meaning pillar, which supports various structures. Another example is shichu, a supporting pillar, often used in construction contexts. Lastly, chujo means columnar, reflecting something in the shape or function of a column. So altogether, denchu literally refers to an electricity pillar, which makes sense as it describes the poles that support electrical wires. Now let's look at some common collocations with denchu. Remember to do shadowing for better retention. 電柱を立てる Erect a utility pole. 電柱を立てる電柱を立てる電柱が倒れる The utility pole falls. 電柱が倒れる電柱が倒れる電柱に登る Climb a utility pole. 電柱に登る電柱に登る電柱の弁線 Utility pole wires. 電柱の弁線電柱の弁線電柱に寄りかかる Lean against a utility pole. 電柱に寄りかかる電柱に寄りかかる電柱が撤去された The utility pole was removed. 電柱が撤去された電柱が撤去された電柱を交換する Replace a utility pole. 電柱を交換する電柱を交換する新しい電柱を設置する Install a new utility pole. 新しい電柱を設置する新しい電柱を設置するFor denchu utility pole, one can use pole to refer more generally to poles used in junctions or construction, while shichu might be used when focusing on the structural aspect of a pole that provides support. Finally, let's practice the word 電柱 with some questions. Can you describe a situation where something is located near 近く, a utility pole, 電柱, and involve a car, 車? Consider it as a scene from a street. 電柱の近くに車が止まっています。A car is parked near the utility pole. 電柱の近くに車が止まっています。電柱の近くに車が止まっています。How would you describe the presence of a signboard, 看板, on a utility pole, 電柱? This is a common sight in urban areas. 電柱には看板があります。There is a signboard on the utility pole. 電柱には看板があります。電柱には看板があります。Describe an emergency situation using a fallen, 倒れて utility pole, 電柱, making it dangerous, 危ない for surrounding areas. 電柱が倒れて電線が危ない。The utility pole has fallen and the wires are dangerous. 電柱が倒れて電線が危ない。電柱が倒れて電線が危ない。In a scenario where you need to determine the height, 高さ of something, how would you express having measured? 測りました。It involving a utility pole, 電柱。電柱の高さを測りました。I measured the height of the utility pole. 電柱の高さを測りました。電柱の高さを測りました。